Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you a Notion template I recently made because I was constantly stressed and worried that I forget something, especially those tasks that have no special due date and I never get to do them. So this template should fix it. My ideal week template contains a task database featuring dependencies, subtasks, and time tracking, and an ideal week database where every entry kind of functions as a time block, I guess. You can add routines to it so they don't clutter up your task database. You can easily link pages you need to access in this time block, or even build a dashboard inside of every time block so that you always see what you need to see at the time you need to see it. Wow. And these time blocks are the place where the magic happens. So imagine you have tasks, you have a due date or a due date, and they show up when they need to show up. In those time blocks of your ideal week database, you not only see those tasks who have a due date and are assigned to this time block, you also see the tasks that don't have any due date or due date. Imagine you're coming home from work and instead of just binge watching any Netflix show and kind of wasting your evenings, you see what time block you want to do right now, and in this time block you see the tasks that are relevant to this time block, so that those tasks that usually never get done because they never show up in your daily task list have a dedicated space and time you can do them and see them and decide which ones you want to take in this week, for example, or at the time in this time block. But I stop talking now, and I hope you will enjoy this template as much as I do. template for yourself. I will link it down below. Bye!